whole was amazing. You cover so many different areas from countertop to floors, even the different techniques on countertops, colors, and designs. My business was originally geared towards doing wine barrel fire pits. Things I can do with that is offer different coating techniques, different styles, obviously different colors. The product that you guys offer seems to be superior to what I've been using in the past.
Me not being a contractor, I learned a little bit more of like some of the facing and our cabinets and what we need to do with that, the backsplashes, instead of just, oh, let me just go in there and pour, you know. So I learned a little bit of that, so I want to brush up and come back for another class for more information on that. I'd also say that I love the people, were really helpful, you know, we're all talking and mingling, and you know, everybody got along and it made you feel at home.
It was great. The staff and everybody here is phenomenal.